In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refer a friend in Base44. Referring a friend is a simple way to share a tool you already use and love, and in many cases, it can unlock rewards or benefits for both of you. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for on the Base44 interface. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account. Once you're on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Up there, you'll see either your profile icon, which might be your initials or an image, or the name of your workspace. This area is your main account and workspace menu. Go ahead and click on that profile or workspace icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings and workspace tools. In that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Refer a Friend. It may be grouped together with other account-related actions, but it should be easy to spot. Click on Refer a Friend. This will take you to the referral section where Base44 provides everything you need to invite someone to join the platform. On the referral page, you'll typically see a personalized referral link. This link is unique to your account, which is how Base44 tracks that the new user came from you. You might see a button next to it that says something like Copy Link, or simply an icon that looks like two overlapping squares. Click that copy button. When you do, your referral link will be copied to your clipboard. From here, you can paste that link wherever you want to share it. For example, you can drop it into an email if you're inviting colleagues, add it to a message in your team chat, or send it directly through any messaging app you use. It's a good idea to add a short note explaining what Base44 is and why you think it will be helpful for them, so your friend knows the link is legitimate and worth checking out, and that's all there is to it. Click your profile or workspace icon in the top right, select Refer a Friend, copy your unique referral link and share it with anyone you'd like to invite to Base44.